Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you on how you can reset and also how to work if the humidifier is not working. So first thing what you can try is just press and hold the start button for about 15 seconds. If that is not going to work, then you want to unplug it for about, let's say, 2 to 3 minutes, and after that you just want to plug it back in. Then the second thing that you can try to do is that if you have a low water level, check that out. So you're going to refill the tank with water, and then also maybe the humidistat setting is lower than the current room humidity, and what you want to do is that you want to reset the humidistat to a higher humidity level or change the mist output to continuous on. So maybe this kind of thing is going to help you actually fix the issue, and I hope it does. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. I just like to research things how you can fix the issues with your products. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.